Loans for buying a small business. How to find the best deal. Have you ever thought about buying a small business? It's not easy to find good deals on small businesses, especially when they need financing options. There are tons of loans available to help people buy a small business. However, there are several factors to consider before taking out a loan. This guide will show you what to look for when searching for a loan for buying a small business. Different types of small business loans available. What types of small business loans are available? Small business loans are financing options offered by banks, credit unions, finance companies, and other financial institutions. They provide businesses with capital, working capital, and/or debt financing. The type of loan depends on the amount of money needed, the length of the term, and the repayment schedule. There are three main types of small business loans available. 1. Term loan. A term loan is a short-term loan that must be repaid at the end of a set period of time. Typically, these loans carry higher interest rates than other types of loans because they are designed to provide immediate cash flow. 2. Working capital loan. A working capital loan is used to fund inventory purchases, accounts receivable, or other current assets. This type of loan is usually paid back from future profits. 3. Debt financing. Debt financing involves borrowing funds against the value of your assets. For example, you could borrow $100,000 against your home equity. You would pay off this loan by making monthly payments over a specified number of years. If you don't make those payments, you owe the lender the full amount of the loan plus any accrued interest. How to choose the right type of small business loan. Small businesses often struggle to get financing because they don't qualify for traditional bank loans. This leaves them without access to capital when they really need it. It's hard enough to start up a new business. But it's even harder to do so if you're saddled with debt. The good news is there are alternatives to traditional bank loans available. Many banks offer alternative financing programs designed specifically for small businesses. And some lenders specialize in providing these types of loans. Here are 3 things to consider before choosing your next small business loan. 1. Your credit score. 2. The amount of money needed. 3. The term length of the loan. Best loan to buy a business. How do I buy a business? The best way to buy a business is to find out what you want to achieve from your purchase. If you know exactly what you want to get from this purchase, then you will make the right business decision. You should always think about how much money you want to spend and whether you want to invest in a new business or if you want to take over another one. It's important to consider these things before deciding. If you want to buy a business, there are some things that you must keep in mind. First, check the financial situation of the business. This means that you should look at its current debt levels and its profit margins. You should also check if the business is profitable or not. If it isn't, then you shouldn't even think about buying it. You should also check the value of the business. The value of a business depends on many factors, such as the type of industry it belongs to, the location where it is located, the number of employees, and so on. You should also check the quality of the products and services that the business provides. If they are good, then the price of the business will be higher than if they were bad. When you decide to buy a business, you should also ask yourself why you want to buy it. Is it because you want to start up a new business or is it because you want to expand an existing business? There are different reasons for buying a business, and you should choose the reason that suits you the most. Once you have decided which reason you want to use, check out the options available to you. For example, if you want to start up your own business, check out online businesses. You should also check out local businesses, small businesses, and large businesses. Finally, when you have chosen the option that you like the most, prepare the documents required for the purchase. You should include the contract, the purchase agreement, and the deposit. Once you have done this, send them to the seller. To learn more about these options, please call us at 888-653-0124 today.